Hi guys, hope you are doing good. So yes, today Api just hit 1K. So yes, we're gonna surprise her. मतलब उसने जब लास्ट देखा था अपना YouTube पे, मतलब जितना पता चलता है जहाँ से कि है, तो उसके थे मेरे ख्याल से 996 or something, and yeah, she finally hit 1K. So we're gonna surprise her. Okay, so हम surprise कैसे कर रहे हैं वो मैंने TikTok पे एक चीज़ देखी थी, मतलब तो उसमें ऐसे करके सरप्राइज कर रहे हैं, मतलब एक ट्रेंड था क्या, इससे पता नहीं क्या था. आई डोंट यूज टिकटॉक. ओके, सो ऐसा था वो. सॉरी. Guys, let's go and surprise her. Team, let's go. बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. Let's go. She's currently shooting her YouTube video, so let's go. Come. Give the camera to me. And क्या कर रहे हो? I'm filming, यार. Yeah, we know. मेरा फोन क्यों लिया है? मेरा फोन क्यों लिया है? Cause we wanted to. क्या? Okay. We have a game for you. यार अभी मुझे करना. यार what are you guys? Okay, just play. बहुत छोटी सी गेम है, खेलो इसे. क्या कर रहे हो? ये play it no. क्या करूँ? ये जो इसमें लिखा है वही करोगी. मेरी बैटरी जा रही है. हाँ, बाद में. Let it go. Press. Look at the back. Pull. You guys, congratulations. Hajra Api. Whatever. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. So yeah. Are you making a video? Yes. मैं लगाऊंगी? Yes. Okay, you can. Can I talk? Yes. Oh my god. I don't know ये वीडियो मैं कहाँ लगाऊंगी? YouTube पे लगाऊंगी या vlog में. Okay, whatever. So I'm so excited. I'm so happy. You're blocking the light. Let me just switch off my camera for now. You guys, I cannot believe this. और सुबह से my subscribers were 996, ठीक है. और मैं अभी फिल्म करने से पहले like after before I sat for film, मैंने तभी चेक किया 996 पे stuck था since morning and it was not happening. और फिर I was like just forget about it. आज नहीं तो कल हो जाएगा. I was expecting it today. So I was like let it be. So मैं फिल्मिंग करने बैठ गई. Open the front camera. Oh my god! So how was the surprise? Thank you. I love you. And thank you to Haya as well. Yes, she's currently in washroom. So I was literally filming. You guys can see. Or I'm so happy. Okay, so I will put my phone on my tripod and I'll attach the mic and everything. और फिर मैं व्लॉग बनाऊंगी बिकॉज मैंने सोचा था आई विल बी मेकिंग अ व्लॉग एंड अ थैंक यू वीडियो. सो या, और प्लस हमें अब ऑर्डर करना है केक. हमने सोचा हुआ था दैट वी विल बी ऑर्डरिंग केक एज सून एज वी हिट 1K. सो आई विल बी ऑर्डरिंग केक. आई विल बी फॉर जस्ट माई फैमिली, और यू नो इट्स लाइक अ मोमेंट दैट आई बीन वेटिंग फॉर सिंस सो लॉन्ग एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड दैट इट्स फाइनली हियर एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट टू celebrate it and have like a small little celebration. So I'm just going to order a cake and cut a cake, a little bit of, you know, cake cutting. I will take you guys with me, so don't you worry, honey. And with that all being said, let me quickly order the cake. और जैसे केक आता है मैं आप लोग को केक दिखाऊंगी, फिर हम केक कटिंग करेंगे, and then I have to speak to you guys. This is the best video on my entire channel. Woo! I finally hit 1K! I'm so happy. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy. And I don't know पीछे क्या आ रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा. And just look at my makeup. Wow. So I had filmed this look for my Instagram Eid makeup because मैंने YouTube के लिए Eid makeup film किया था, Insta के लिए नहीं किया था. So this is the one that I filmed from Insta. And honestly, I like this one more. But yeah, so मैंने वो film किया. Then I quickly, because makeup हो गया था, तो I was like let me quickly film another video. और मैं अपना वैनिटी टूर का इंट्रो फिल्म कर रही थी और आउट्रो फिल्म कर रही थी, और वैनिटी का टूर मैं ऑलरेडी अपने फ़ोन में ले चुकी हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक सो मच गोइंग ऑन एंड यू विल सी मी लाइक दिस इन 2 of my YouTube video and 1 Instagram video. So excuse me, this all happened in one single day. I'm so excited right now. Okay, I'm so excited right now. So I'm quickly going to put my phone on my tripod and attach the mic and then film this entire thing properly. I don't want the voice and all to be corrupt and my camera moving like the shit. Okay, so let's quickly, and I'll see you guys once I order the cake and the cake comes. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so the cake is here. I'm gonna show you guys the cake and we are also cutting the cake फ़ौरन ही, because फिर हमें नमाज़ वगैरह पढ़नी है क्योंकि अभी रमज़ान है तो इबादत करनी है. So yeah, let's go see the cake and let's cut the cake. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's go. Oh my god, you guys, here is the cake. You see this? Ah!
Here's the light.
Let's light up the candles. डालिए कौन हो जाएगा? क्लैपिंग कर लो सब. Guys, so I'm back. Oh my god. और मैं पूरा दिन आज अबाया में घूम रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अबाया पहना था शूट के लिए और फिर ये सारा सीन हुआ तो मैंने अबाया उतारे नहीं. मैंने कहा चलो यार, आई एम मेकिंग काइंड ऑफ अ व्लॉग फॉर दिस थिंग, तो फिर अबाया पहन के रख लेती हूँ और व्लॉग ख़त्म करके ही फिर मैं अबाया चेंज करती हूँ. सो गाइज, आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर दिस. फाइनली आई हैव हिट 1K. Or thanks to Laba and Hannah, if you guys are watching it, thank you for the sweet and the cutest and the best surprise that you ever gave me. And so yeah, then we ordered the cake और आप लोगों ने केक कटिंग वगैरह सारी देख ली. हमने केक खाया, बहुत ही अच्छा था. दिस इज़ अ न्यू प्लेस कॉल्ड पेपेमो और उसका केक बहुत अच्छा था. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट और everyone in my family liked the cake. So yeah, you can search Pepemo on Instagram if you want to. And coming to this, I really loved how the cake tasted and also how they made it. Thank you so much to them and a shout out to them. Or it was like really nicely written 1K and all of that. I loved the cake. So हमने केक काटा, हम सबने केक खाया और it was just a sweet little quarantine little celebration. We needed it and it could not be better than me hitting 1K subscribers on my YouTube channel. I had worked so hard for this, you guys, and this is so emotional. You can see my lashes off here because I kind of cried, so teared and the lashes off, so that's all fine. But you guys, I had worked so hard on this. It's insane, and I want to thank you all for your immense support that you have given me, the immense love that you have given me. Please go ahead, keep giving your love and support. We need to go a very long way. I know it's a very small gem for me, and I know it's not something very big. People are literally hitting 1 million and 10 million and all of that. We are at 1K. We have a huge long way to go, and I'm super excited and looking forward to that, and I am working hard for that. I need your love and support, but still this is a really big thing for me, and I really am happy, emotional and excited also to make this fam literally huger. And trust me, I always wanted to do this and I finally started it. It was not so smooth और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा work hard करना पड़ता है. और 1K मैंने किस तरह hit किया ना, seriously only I know. I had been literally counting on each one of my subscribers and I'm really attached to them now because I've been really counting you guys one on one, and I am trying my best to make the best of content for you guys ताकि आप लोग जो मुझे all the new subscribers and all my old subscribers जिन्होंने मुझे literally 1 से start किया है देखना, I love you guys and I'm literally trying my best to create the best content so that you don't get disappointed and you enjoy my content. And I hope you guys will. I am kinda emotional right now and I'm very happy, and thank you so much for this. I love you guys, and you guys mean a lot to me, and literally this 1K hit means a lot to me. See, 1K is nothing, I know, but I'm very emotional and very happy that I did this, and I know that I want to do more. I am going to do more. With that all being said, thank you so much, you guys mean a lot to me, and thank you so much for this is literally very emotional, and this is the one of the happiest moment of my life, and I'm so happy today, and I cannot wait to literally go a very long way and grow this fam. I want your love and support, and from my side I will be creating the best of content that I can for you and not disappoint you. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and this is also a thank you video for all my subscribers, my new, my old subscribers, my YouTube family. You're literally like a YouTube family who I am talking to like this, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, you guys. I could not do this, and I cannot do anything else even in future without you guys, without your support and your love. I really need it, and thank you so much for literally supporting me with whatever content I'd been putting, and I hope you guys are liking it. And yeah, but thank you so much for your love and support, and do let me know what kind of content you want me to make. I will try and make the best of best content for you. Thank you into 100 times so very much for this gem. This is the best gift you guys could ever give me, and I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy right now. I'm sweating, you can see, because I had to switch off the fan and film this little video. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you do, give me a thumbs up, comment down below any of your requests and feedbacks, and do let me know what other videos and content you want me to make. I will for sure do it. Please share my channel and my videos with your friends and family. Let's grow this fam. I want your love and support. Please share my channel and my videos with your friends and family. Ask them to subscribe, and if you're new here and if you have not subscribed yet, come on, let's join my glam fam and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button right beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And with that all being said, I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for this. I could not have done this without you. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I will be back with another great video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. I love you guys.